guys, welcome back to the course. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can add emojis in your web page. So for that, open your editor. So I'm just simply going to open Notepad. You can also use Notepad++ or any other editor of your choice. Now just write the basic structure of an HTML page. So I'll start with doc type, and then comes your header. So head, let's give a title to this. So suppose emojis. Alright, don't forget to also include this meta tag. So I'm going to give it a value. So the meta cassette should have this value UTF-8. Don't forget to include this, and then we'll go ahead with the body. Now within the body tag, I'll just give a heading, emojis, okay, and a break to go to the next line, and then a p tag. Now from here, like whatever emoji you need to give, so we need the decimal value for it. So what we'll do is we'll go here and search HTML emoji decimal codes. Okay, so here we have the decimal codes for all the emojis. So let me quickly open this. Here it is. So you have a grinning face, a face with tears of joy. So let's start with this. So I'm just going to copy the decimal value, go back to your editor and just paste it. Let's close this p tag and save this file. So I'm going to save it on my desktop. So I will name it emoji.html and go ahead and save it. We have it saved. Now let's open it, and yes, we have this emoji. So let's make it a little bigger for us to understand. So I will set the font size. Fonts, okay, so I need to give the style tag, and then font size equals 2em. This looks better. So save it, go back to the web page and refresh it. No changes. So let me make it more bigger. Okay, so you should not use equal to here, my mistake. So let's see now if it changes. Yeah, we have a bigger emoji. Now let's go back to our guide and use another one. So I'm going to take this one. So just you need to copy this decimal code, go back to your editor, and then I'm going to paste it here. Save it, go back to the web page and refresh, and you have the next emoji. So in this way you can add emojis to your web page. So to give it a more meaning, I'm just going to write something here. So suppose this is my favorite, and we have that emoji. So save this And let's go back and refresh. So yeah, this is my favorite, and this makes much more sense. So in this way you can add emojis in your web pages to make it look more better and more approachable to the users. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next videos.